my name is Gareth and I'm the chairman of the marine biology section of the Societe Jersiaise. We use funding to purchase a sea pod, which is essentially an underwater hydrophone that we fix to the seabed with a mooring to record dolphin sounds and clicks to get an idea of the population structure and behaviour around Jersey. Well, we're looking to get a better idea of movements and looking at the population structure and any changes over time. As at the moment, there is a very large resident population of dolphins around Jersey, but we realise that we actually know quite little about them, and so it was getting a lot more in-depth information. Because at the moment we're getting very useful data from recording sightings, but this way we actually get a lot more meaningful and 24-hour data of their movements and behaviour within Jersey waters. Once we've analysed the data, to make it public, we have our marine biology section website that we'll keep the data uploaded to. We've produced an app, a marine mammal recording app that we will hopefully also release to the public shortly, that they can start recording dolphin data on, and then they can see that data live on the website. Yes, if we can help inspire anyone, a group of students, and actually help them in their own studies of this. There's a lot involved with the statistics and looking at patterns, and so there's a lot that they can benefit from their wider school curriculum, but also that usually whenever there's a dolphin involved, it gets a lot of people very interested in the marine world. Essentially we have an app from Collect 5, it's called, and where we've developed a project app within that allows you to use your GPS on the phone, which most new phones come equipped with, that you can, as soon as you see a dolphin, you can then go to your app and you can record the details, the approximate numbers you see in a pod, you can put notes on their behaviour, how far away from you, and then using that you can immediately upload it to the site, which will be immediately recorded, and we can extrapolate the data, we can put it in spreadsheets and data sets for us to study and review, but also they have a live map view, so if you go to the website as well as your own sightings, you'll be able to see everyone else's that have been uploaded. And it can also help if you are looking for dolphins, you can see where the dolphin hotspots are and go and have a look for yourself. It was £1,500 in funding which was provided, and as you said before, that was what we believe the price of a single sea pod, but fortunately it was half, so we were able to get two for the price of one from that funding, which also means we are able to improve our data by putting two sequential sea pods down. We can see the movements from one sea pod to the next, and so we have an idea of the direction dolphins may be travelling in and in their whereabouts, as well as just individual data from one pod. It benefited greatly. As a non-profit organisation, really, the Societe, the marine biology section, we're all essentially volunteers. We do this in our spare time, but with the marine world, it can be quite expensive, especially when you're involving boats and the equipment, where it costs £3,000 per pod, and which is considered cheap in the marine world for equipment. That this sort of funding is really vital if we are to get any sort of understanding of the environment around us.